My name is Yuen, metric number 262543. In this video, I'm going to present Lab 2 assignment for the subject Mobile Programming. My project title is Badminator. The Badminator application basically used to provide a platform for a group of people who are interested in playing badminton but could not find any suitable selection referred to their level of play, time, location, and day. This application basically will allow users to join the badminton section of certain badminton club. So now I will restart the application. So firstly, the application will show the splash screen. The splash screen will contain the logo of the application and also the progress indicator. So after the splash screen, it will show the login panel. So the login panel contains two text fields, which are email and password. In addition, it contains two buttons, which are login and create account. Lastly, it contains one checkbox for the function remember me. So the remember me function basically is used to save the preference of email and password, so the user need not to enter their email and password again and again for the login purpose. And now I will demonstrate with the remember me function. So first, we enter the email, and then the password. After that, we click on the remember me checkbox and it shows the preference saved successfully. And then we restart the application again. The information, email and password will automatically save on the text field. If user wish to remove the save preference, it's just uncheck the remember me checkbox. If user wish to create account, it can click on the create account buttons and it will show the registration panel. The registration panel contains four text fields, which are username, email, password, and phone. In addition, it contains two buttons, which are register and already registered. And lastly, it contains one checkbox for user to agree to the terms and conditions. So now I will demonstrate the registration process. First, you need to fill in all the required information. First, username, then email, then password. If user wish to see their password enter, it can be done by clicking this icon button. And if user wish to hide it, it can be done by clicking this button again. And the last, phone number. To complete the process of registration, user required to agree to the terms and conditions, which means user need to click on this checkbox. If not, users are unable to click on the button register. So we now register, and we will show the confirmation dialog, which state that are you sure you want to register? So we click yes, and it shows registration success. Please check our email to verify account. After that, we check this on the database. And the database contains the information of account that we just registered. And the user email should be received an email for account verification. So this is an email for account verification, and user will be provided with a link to verify their account. And then we click on this link, and it says congratulations, it has been successfully verified your account. And we check this on the database, and we can see that the OTP equal to 0 change to 0, which means the account is successfully verified. So after that, if user wish to register with same email address, it will show registration failed. And now I will try different scenario of user enter some invalid input. So if user try to register account with empty text field, it will show some error message, which is the username is required, email is required, password is required, and phone number is required. In addition, if email enter is not valid or incorrect format, it will show error message, email is not valid. And for password, if password enter is less than 6 characters, it will show password must be minimum 6 characters. If password contain only digit, it also will show error message. Password must be including letter and number. And lastly, if user is done with the registration process, user can click on the already registered button to back to the login panel. And that's all for me. Thank you.